Hello, my name is Daniel Erlangga Santiago Slaban, and today I would like to present you my research, The Influence of Electronic Word of Mouth on Decision to Use OVO Cash Payment. First of all, I would like to explain the chapter 1. The background behind communication between producer and consumer in the Industrial Revolution 4.0 is more efficient because it is supported by the increasingly widespread digitalization era. From year to year, consumption patterns in Indonesia continue to increase. This is also driven by the presence of digital market e-commerce. The high use of e-commerce by the public encouraged the government, banks, and business people to innovate it, namely updates the transaction system. Transaction system updates are expected to be more simple. The process, the simplify the process and processing products or service. OVO Cash Payment is digital transaction offered by business people. OVO is smart application that provide online payment and transaction that can make your transaction more simple. According to Snapchat, OVO Payment is the most favorable digital wallet application after obtaining 58% of 1,800 respondents. According to head of corporate communication of OVO Cash Payment, Harumi Supit, the addition of substantial new OVO user increased in 2020. It is increased to 206.7%. Internet user in Indonesia in 2020 are very high. This is the result of digitalization era in Indonesia. With the internet, the communication process is much easier. From data user internet in Indonesia year 2020 or from IDX Cup, it is believed that internet user is 175 million people or almost 64% from Indonesia population. With internet, the communication process is much easier. Sending and disseminating information can be done quickly. In the era of digitalization, electronic word of mouth is one of the effect of digital era. EOM are one factor that made other people know your product. With the phenomenon of drastic increase in user, therefore in scientific paper, research intends to analyze that influence of EOM on decision to use OVO Cash Payment. The research question is how does EOM affect on the decision to use OVO Cash Payment? The writing purpose to identifying the influence of EOM on the decision to use OVO Cash Payment. The benefits are as the reference material for comparison and the frame of reference for similar topics. Also, it can determine the effect of EOM on the decision to use OVO Cash Payment. It also can be used as an additional insight information and reference material for other readers. Chapter 2, Theoretical Study and Research Methodology. Decision to use. According to Yogianto, decision to use is service or known as decision to buy or purchase decision is part of consumer behavior. So decision to use is the result of selection of two or more product choice offered to consumer. Consumer and this decision can be influenced by several indicators that make consumer choose to buy a desired product. According to Ferdinand, purchase decision have four indicators. First, transactional decision, referral decision, preferential decision, and exploration decision. Electronic word of mouth. EOM is one of consumer behavior. EOM is a social communication on the internet where web browsers send and receive information related product and online. The dimension of EOM are intensity, omnivalence, and content. The relationship between EOM with use or purchase decision. Electronic word of mouth is closely related to consumer purchasing decision. The concept viral marketing suggests that marketers can harness the power of interpersonal networks to promote products or service. This concept assumes that EOM is an effective means of changing communication network to a network of influence, capturing the attention, receptions, triggering the interest, and finally driving sales. The type of research. The type of research is descriptive statistical analysis. The data collection technique was carried using Likert scale. The statement in questionable use scale 1 to 5. The population of this research are students who study in economic facultas Universitas Negeri Jakarta and also use OVO-CASE payment. The sample is non-probability sampling technique with purposive sampling method. The number of samples in the study were 104 respondents. The study used instrument test by giving 30 respondents first, then tested the validity and reliability tests. Chapter 3, the discussion. Case description. Researchers have processed the data by using descriptive analysis to interpret and using statistical analysis to determine whether or not there is an influence between EOM on the decision to use OVO-CASE payment. Descriptive statistical analysis. EOM variable for dimension intensity is very good. Good because 69.5% are agree and strongly agree. For the most popular is statement 1 and statement 3 because the 70% are strongly agree and agree. For the opinion valence is also good because 61.2% are strongly agree and agree. With the most recent are statement number 6 with 74% are strongly agree. For content dimension are also good because 79.8 are strongly agree. With the most recent statement or the most agree statement are statement number 7 is about the information about the service with 83.7 are agree. Descriptive statistical analysis for decision to use variable also good because 77% are strongly agree. With the most recent statement are statement number 1. It is 94.2% are agree and strongly agree. For normal assumption test, bases the result with the Kolmogorov Smirnov method. The distribution are normal because the significance is 0.2 and it's bigger than 0.05. From the linearity test, the result of linearity test can be seen that significant value is 0.48 is bigger than 0.05. So it can be concluded that the linear relationship between EOM and decision to use. For simple linear regression test, based the significant value, 0 is smaller than 0.05. So it can be concluded that the EOM has an effect on the decision to use. For coefficient determination, the value of coefficient determination is 0.4, which is mean the 40% of usage decisions are influenced by EOM and 60% are influenced by the other. For hypothesis tests, based on the result, t-count must be bigger than t-table, and the result is the t-count are 8.247 and it's bigger than the t-table 1.659. so that it can be included that there is significant influence between EOM on the decision to use OVO cash payment. The conclusion, the variable EOM can be said to be good, and it is known that social media users are very enthusiastic about finding, accessing, and providing information. EOM variable have an average total value of the percentage agree and strongly agree at 7.2%. Variable decision to use can be said good. It is known that users make decision to use OVO cash payment application because all the dimension and indicator in usage decision variable have an average total value. Percent to agree and strongly agree category is 80%. It can be concluded that EOM has an influence on the decision to use OVO cash payment. The suggestion for company of OVO cash payment is recommended to maintain the quality of service. For further researcher, it's recommended to further researcher will carry out the similar research to add independent variables so that information obtained wider and further research can be expand the limits of sample taken more accurate. For society, it is recommended for public to seek more information about OVO cash payment application to create usage decision to use. Thank you.